Hello my friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on a Kenmore fridge. As you can see, the freezer is on the bottom, the fridge is on the top. My customer's complaint was that it's not cooling on the fridge part, but the freezer part is still okay. I checked the condenser coils on it. Condenser coils can also affect the cooling system. As you can see, he usually cleans it. I was here a couple months ago to work on his oven, fix that, but I told him to make sure clean the condenser coils on your fridge, and he was also cleaning it. So today his complaint is that it's not cooling. Excuse me. What I did was I took the freezer door off, I took the back panel off, the side pieces, that shelf, and then now I'm looking here. Over there, that's the defrost heat element contact. The defrost heat element comes like that, goes all the way down, and then from there it goes up again there. So I checked my defrost heat element for continuity. I was getting continuity on it, so it's good. Excuse me. Also make sure check your fan. If this fan is also not running, or if this fan is burnt, you will also not get air to the fridge, and you will get problem with your fridge. So the freezer will still work fine, not perfectly, but you will never realize that the freezer is not working properly. So this will also affect the air circulation inside the freezer. You may get a little bit problem, but because the freezer is the main part of the fridge for cooling system, you may not see any problem with the freezer. If that's if that fan dies, you will only find out the problem with the fridge not cooling. Also, you need to check this defrost thermostat when it's freezing here for continuity. So what I did was I checked the defrost thermostat from here. There's the brown and orange wire, so you can see the orange wire is there and the brown is this one. So you will find out and check between this contact and the brown for continuity, and you should have continuity. Also, I just wanted to make sure that I don't get confused by checking these two wires. I also shredded a little bit wire from the defrost thermostat itself, that I'm going to put a little piece of tape after testing it. I got this electrical tape, I can use this. So I tested it from there too. The defrost thermostat is also fine. The strange thing I found out about this fridge was I checked everything. I also turned the unit off where the jazz board is. I turned it off by pressing this button a couple of times. I got two dots here, or I got two signs here. There was nothing, so I turned it off. While working inside the freezer, I kind of felt that something was running, so I thought it's probably the compressor. Why my compressor is running when I turn it off from the control board? So I just wanted to make sure that the compressor is running, or maybe I'm confused why there's a vibration noise. So I pulled the unit out. There was a couple of screws at the back panel. I took the back panel off, and I still saw that the cooling fan and the compressor, they're both running. What I did was I unplugged this fridge. Right now it's unplugged. I'm gonna plug it in back. I will have to use a hairdryer to get rid of this frost buildup, so in the meantime customer can use this fridge, and I will give this fridge maybe a couple hours time after plugging it back in. If excuse me, if the fridge works perfectly fine, good, customer is okay, he can use it, unplugging the fridge will just reset the control board, and this fridge is gonna work perfectly fine. But if the fridge didn't work, then I'm gonna have to replace the jazz board on this unit, because I checked everything. Everything is working fine. I can also run I can also run the diagnostic mode on this unit and check what's working, what's not working, but I don't have to do that because I check my heat element, defrost thermostat, the circulation fan, everything seems to be working fine except the jazz board. So if my customer calls back again, I'm just gonna have to replace the jazz board on it.